Get Multiplier Up. In this video, I will show you how to get your coin multiplier up in Subway Surfer so you can earn coin even faster. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer. You have to be on the mission tab. Here you will see mission you need to complete. They are super simple like jumping over the train or picking up coins. Every time you finish 3 missions, your coin multiplier goes up by 1%. You can go all the way to 30x. The higher your multiplier, the more coin you earn during every run without any doing extras. Don't like a mission, you can skip it using keys, but I say try them, they are very fun. And that's how you level up your coin multiplier in Subway Surfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.